Hello, my name's Patrick. Today on the RapidPress Rundown, I'll be discussing some of the key differences between the RapidPress press-fit system and the traditional welding processes. The RapidPress system revolutionises pipe installation with its modular design. With just 5 simple steps: cut, deburr, witness mark, assemble and press. You can install pipework swiftly and easily without any need for qualified welders or hot work permits. This innovative press-fit system is up to 10 times faster than traditional welding. This reduces labour cost and boosts productivity. RapidPress can be used on a wide range of applications for services, from water ring mains to air lines, gas lines, glycol and more. It is important to note that the press-fit system does have limitations around hygiene due to the press connections. Traditional welding processes has its place. RapidPress doesn't replace the need for welded lines, but it is cost-effective and a time-saving solution. With welding, you need qualified welders and hot work permits. Welding often demands time-consuming preparation, especially for complex and large diameter tube work. Welding has been a reliable method for a long time. It's important to recognise that the market has seen advancements such as press-fit solutions that hold their own unique advantages. Both welding and press-fit methods have their own place in various applications. RapidPress has been seen to replace traditional piping systems such as plastic and galvanised. RapidPress provides you with not only a long-lasting solution, but a good quality-looking industrial-grade installation. If you have any questions on the RapidPress press-fit system or anything else, please get in touch with the crew at the Metal Company because we make buying stainless steel easy.